This looks like a lovely spot to hang out for the day. Cooper seems to be enjoying it as well. Some more tracks from the deer. The snow is melting quickly here. Cooper is enjoying the snow melting and digging for moles or mice or whatever he seems to think is in there. He is a Cocker Spaniel, so it's his natural instinct to be a digger, looking for little critters. And this will probably be the last time you see him with that big coat of fur there. He's due to get his spring haircut now that it's warming up, so you won't even recognize him in the next video. Look at the mud. Oh my, my. Did you find anything there, Cooper? We've decided this is a great spot. The fire we're going to put there. I've got my saw ready. I grabbed a few sticks. And getting ready to get dinner going. We're collecting some firewood here. There is plenty down from the winter, so it doesn't look like I'll need to actually be cutting too much up, which is nice, easy and simple. Lots of tracks back here. Popular area for the deer to hang out. They bed up there during the night, and a lot of times you see them bedded in here. And I am going to this tree to get some birch bark to start the fire. Look at all that bark. Plenty. Just what I need. That birch bark lights right up. Look at that. One of the best ways to start a fire is using birch bark. The wood's a little bit wet. You can see the sizzling. So it's going to take a little while for this to get a nice bed of coals so we can cook the stew over. Okay, I am sweating. That was some work cutting up some firewood to get that fire going. But now we just need to wait for those coals to get nice and hot so we can cook over them. So why don't we go for a walk down the creek? Still quite a bit of snow. A little washout here. Oh boy, this isn't going to be good. What are you doing, Cooper? Oh my goodness. Somebody needs a bath. Oh la la, it'll be nice to get that haircut. There's another path where the deer cross. Right up there. And then they go right across there. I don't know what kind of tracks those are. Huh. Ready to prep the stew. All my ingredients, I've got stewed tomatoes, mushrooms, cornbread, milk, oil, salt, pepper, onion, egg, raw honey, carrots, beef. Here's some stew seasoning, some paprika, thyme, a little bit of garlic. Salt, a little bit of pepper. You can put how much you want in here depending on how spicy or hot you want it. I prefer mine with a little bit of a kick. Some water. I also like to add some stewed tomatoes. And now I'm going to make some cornbread. It takes an egg and a 1/3 cup of milk. Here is the cornbread batter. And I put a little bit of olive oil in the cast iron. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of this raw honey over the top. Hi, sweetie. Dinner's almost ready. Are you hungry? Pretty soon, it'll be ready. You're a good boy, right? Cooper's a good boy. No, you eat yours. Right here. There's yours. Oh, you gotta try this. It's good.